Hi, this is Dale with Computer Aftercare, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows-based PC by controlling startup programs. Anyways, there's many different ways to do this. I'm going to be covering one method with just startup programs, but I will mention that you can do registry edits. You can turn off unnecessary visualizations. You can turn off unnecessary services. And there's also some tweaks that you can do with your programs themselves that might be running. Anyways, we're going to focus just on controlling startup programs for right now. Now, one of the first methods we're going to talk about is just turning off programs temporarily. So to show you the effectiveness of this, we're going to go ahead and open up our task manager first. So I'm going to press Control Shift Escape. You may also know the key combination of Control Alt Delete, and then you can open the task manager from there. Now when Task Manager is open, I like to make sure that my memory usage is sorted from highest to lowest. And here you can see the names of the programs here. And those will correspond with what's running down here in the lower right here, for the programs anyway. Now to temporarily turn off a program and gain that memory back to the system, all you need to do is just right click and exit these. Like right here, notice Skype. Watch what's going to happen there when I exit Skype. Right click, quit. It went away. So the memory that Skype was using is now available to the system again. You'll start to notice a slight increase in performance as you gain more memory. I'm going to do the same to log me in. And I also have this printer program I'm not using. I'm going to close that. And that's pretty much it. So I just freed up probably about 150 megabytes of RAM there. And if you're on a computer that's already low in RAM, this could make a huge difference. And right now the only programs I have running are the ones I'm using right now to record the video, so I won't mess with that. Now, I mentioned that there's a permanent method, and for that you're going to use the msconfig method. Now normally I would just go down here, click Start and Run, but by default you may not see the Run menu down here. So while you have Task Manager open, you can do it from there. You can go up here and click File and select New Task. Type in msconfig and select OK. It'll take just a moment to open. And here we go. So right now we're in the normal startup. We're loading all device drivers and services right now. So we're going to do a selective startup, as you're going to see here. So I'm going to go to Startup, and I'm going to expand these columns here. I want to be able to read what I'm dealing with here. Now, some of this is a matter of knowing what programs you can safely turn off without negatively affecting your computer's performance or the programs that you use. In this case, we already know that I didn't want to load LogMeIn or Skype. Definitely do not turn off your security. And there was this printer program here, and I think I'm going to turn off this particular Office app here. So click Apply and OK, and that's pretty much it. So the next time you either log off and log back on or restart your computer, these programs will not automatically load, so you'll have that memory all available to the system from the get-go. One other area you can control startups from is by clicking Start, All Programs, and look for a folder called Startup. That's right here. So right now mine's empty, but if you did have any items in there and you recognize them from programs that you know you don't need to be running automatically, you can go ahead and remove them. Just know that all these things that I did do not remove the program. If you need to run them again, you can always go in to Start All Programs. You can go find them in here, and you can start them again manually, so you can use them when you're ready. That way they're not loading you down when you're not using them. As you can see, there's Skype back again, and you'll notice it's running here and back in the processes, eating up my memory. Anyways, so that's pretty much it. I'll cover some of these other methods, how to speed up your computer, in another video. I just wanted to keep this one brief about startups. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Dale with Computer Aftercare. Thank you, and bye-bye.